Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. Under the hood we have a 2.0 liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. It's in gray and it looks awesome. You got that Volkswagen badging up front there with your lights hanging out right there, and they are very bright. Coming around the side here, we do have our Michelin brand tires with our 15-inch rims, and we do also have our mirrors hanging out right there. And here's our keys. So we got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We have that one to open up the trunk, and we have that button to flip out the key. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside of the vehicle. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out. Got your handle. That one opens up the back. You got some storage right down here. Looks awesome in here as well. Very spacious, and the seats are very nice and comfortable. You do also have the controls over your lights here, so the off and the on. You do have your in-cabin light control there, and the control over the turning signals, and your high beams right there. Okay, let's start up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature there. Now we can switch that around a little bit to our different options, like the time is up there. Then we also have the miles per hour. We have our different guys there, the temperature outside, and then that is controlled from that button right there. And then you do have your horn in the center here and your windshield wiper controls right over here. And then over here we do have our radio, so we have our sound and eject for our CD player. Presets are down here, FM, AM, media, and the menu. You have your track and folder and all that. Volume up and down with the power and the selector there. And then down here we do have the heated seats. We have the defrost, AC, circulation, and the passenger heated seats. Temperature control here. As well, you do have your power and your mode. Some storage down here, and you do have your gear shift right here. You have your cup holders and your parking brake. You also have your armrest that was as a storage container. Got some storage just in there. And then a locking glove box just over here with lots of room, and your owner's manual inside of it. Then you do have your control of your lights, and then you do also have a sunglass holder right there. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you have your handle, control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage. And it looks awesome back here as well. Very spacious and very comfortable. You do have a lock and unlock with some little bit of storage down there. And these seats do fold forward as well, giving you even more room. And there's our 2.0 liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.